17 powerful phrases to instantly build trust. 1. I made a mistake, and here is what I'm doing to fix it. 2. You were right. I hadn't thought about it that way. 3. I have your back, no matter how this turns out. 4. I trust you to take the lead, even if it doesn't go perfectly. 5. Help me understand your perspective. 6. This one's on me, and here's my plan. 7. I appreciate the extra effort you put in. It didn't go unnoticed. 8. Your success matters to me personally. 9. You can be honest with me, no judgment. 10. I've got you covered. Focus on what matters most to you. 11. This conversation stays between us. 12. Your voice matters here. Thank you for speaking up. 13. You don't have to go through this alone. I'm here for you. 14. It's okay if you're not ready. I'll wait. 15. Consider it done. I own this completely. 16. You bring something to this that no one else can. 17. You have everything it takes to succeed. I believe in you.